Good morning. I'm Per Shankar. I'm from the Rotary Club of Madras Midtown. I'm the current year secretary and I'll be the president for next year. I've been a Rotarian from 1988, but I've been in about 4 districts in Indonesia, Singapore and Malaysia, and Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and now in Chennai. I've attended many district conferences in Jakarta, in Singapore, in Kuala Lumpur, Kuantan, Ipoh, and I think I have been in Chennai conferences for the last 2 years I attended here. In the conferences in Chennai, this 3230 conference is quite different from what I have seen in other districts. The number of delegates in this conference is quite high, which is like a fun time for the whole family. In the மாதிரி இவ்வளோ exhaustive and well planned conference is difficult to organize. I must appreciate the organizers for the efforts they have taken in arranging the program, in making things available for the delegates, and the food arrangements. They're all quite well appreciated. And the programs for the last 2 days, the pre-conference dinner and yesterday's events, the night program and this morning's programs were also well spaced out on service-oriented talks, motivational speaks, as well as the entertainment content. Now, if I take it as a gathering of the purpose of a district conference, more than anything, it's a very good place for fellowship, where we meet friends from all over the district and also from other districts. In the Mari conference, in fact, I'm meeting some people after 1 year who came for this conference last year, and we are meeting it again this year. And we are able to build bonds with other clubs in the district. We can plan about joint meetings, we can plan about doing a lot of things. And the purpose of this conference is well established in developing the fellowship aspect of Rotary. And Rotary as a service, yes, everybody is on service. Service above self is our motto. And while going around and talking to people, we get to know about a lot of other projects. Now, yesterday there was a wonderful presentation about Dhanvantari project in Sri Lanka. 3230 has taken a lead through, and effect of it is people from Rotarians from other countries are also coming in and joining up with this. This can build a very good Rotary network in the whole of South Asia, Southeast Asia, and this will all help to develop Rotaries for the future. I hope we can take the message back and get more members to join Rotary and have such wonderful fellowship as the cornerstone, as the foundation for building up our organization. Thank you.